So, it's especially absolutely important to use a trust if you have wealth. What I'm saying is hypercritical. That's why, of course, Trump does it, and everyone wealthy does it. So they have nothing at risk.
Frank's Upholstery. If one's home has a mortgage, can it be put into a trust?
Yeah,
Asking for a friend.
yeah, wow, yeah, it can absolutely.
Yeah.
Uh, Definitely.
So
You could,
do you put the mortgage in there, or is he talking
yeah,
about just putting the title into the trust name?
yeah. Put the title into a trust name, you can still do it. It doesn't make it so the mortgage isn't owed. But if you keep paying on the mortgage, there will be an acceleration clause because of a change of title. But did the title actually change? Not really. The bank don't really care. No one. What does it mean? That the what happens is, oh, the title changed, but you're still on the chain of title or whatever. You're still paying the note. The bank cares if you don't pay. You see what I'm
Right.
saying? You quit paying, they'll be on you. You see, you pay. What do they care if you change some paperwork? And so they don't care because the quick claim deed just says if I have any rights, I transfer them over here. Maybe you don't have any rights you can transfer. You see what I'm saying? Due to there being a mortgage. However, there is one right you can transfer, mortgage or not. You see what I'm saying? And that's its affiliation as a Christian with a Christian organization, right? Its own, and get the loophole on the getting the property tax waived. So
Right.
by filling out that application, so for that, it doesn't matter about the mortgage because it's what because this has to do with its religious affiliation, which doesn't that doesn't have to do nothing with the bank. You see. So you could change it for that purpose, for the financial aspect and the spiritual aspect, and get it so if someone gets in trouble, it can't get seized and all that work and so on. So yeah, you can definitely do that, and there are reasons to do it. If you want to, get rid of the real estate taxes, and you would have to go watch that course and really go at it slowly, carefully, have questions or whatever in the classroom. Has real meaning to people. Don't screw it up the first time. I'd be
Mhm.
like, oh well, I got to redo it. No, you ain't gonna redo it and fix it. They already know who you are, so they already know you're trying to do something, and they're going to look at you with extra scrutiny. You got to do it right the first time, and then you get approved. Okay, there you go.
Right. And then Eric's here. Hello. Is there a way for a person receiving Section 8 assistance to rent from the trust?
Not really. No, 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 no. Because the paperwork chain will hit. You see what I'm saying? You know what? It makes them up like that.